Hey guys, it's Chad and Carter from Dirt Poor TV. Today, what are we doing, Carter?
Today we are changing the oil on my crankcase in my 2003 Suzuki RM85. So first, what you want to do is that you want to get this loose. I'm using a 12mm socket, so I already have mine loose, and so I'm just going to loosen it with my fingers until it comes off.
You probably make a mess. Make sure you have a pan underneath there.
Yeah, and make sure you don't lose your
nut and washer. Okay. What are we putting in there?
We're putting motorcycle, Amsoil synthetic motorcycle 10W50.
Alright.
So just wait for all of this to come out.
Okay, so how do we know how much oil to put in there?
This is right here on the crankcase. Mine says 550 milliliters, which in cc's it's the same exact thing.
Okay.
So over here this holds 500 cc's, but we're going to pour in 400. Make sure you put a little bit over.
Why do you put a little bit over in there?
Because some will stay in the cup.
You got, what, 400 you said you put in there?
400, and we're going to put 150.
We'll put another 150 in after we fill that. Okay.
Okay, since we have all the oil drained out of the bike, you want to inspect your bolt and wipe all of it off, all the oil off. Okay, so what you want to do is tighten it by hand so you don't strip the threads out. So mine's pretty tight. So make sure you're not loosening it up.
There you go. Yep, right there. Right there. 16.5 foot-pounds.
So take the fill plug off, and you want to wipe it off with a rag.
Is there an O-ring on that?
Yes, there
Yep,
is.
make sure the O-ring's on there.
So we're going to fill this with 400 cc's, and we're going to fill it with 150 cc's.
Well, the bugs are bad out here today. Just flies.
Make sure you get the most that you can out of the cup.
Will that stay in there? Yep.
So come over here and take your dirt oil and fill it with 150 cc's.
Slow. Once we get this oil changed, what are we going to do after that?
We are going to go ride.
That's right. We're going to Miller Motorsports.
Make sure you get this as tight as you can on my hand. Okay, now that we got the oil change, we're going to start the bike and warm it up a bit. This has been how to change your oil in your Suzuki RM85. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dirt Poor TV. Thanks for watching.